Alright, YouTubes! I'm gonna head out to a prep table at the taqueria. I got a call that it's not cooling. Oh man, hold on a second. I gotta crank up the air conditioner. Let me get that turned up a little higher. It's pretty warm today. Woo! Oh yeah, we'll take the little scenic drive up here. Alright, I just got to the job site. I was going to show you guys this. I got my first tank of 404A in the gray cylinder. You know, it's all going to go to the same color cylinders, I guess the gray. And that was my first tank of 404 in gray. Which now I know which one's my 407C. Because now my 404 is gray, not orange. Fun times. Alright, let's get in here and take a look and see what's going on. It's supposed to be a prep table. Makeup table, not cooling. Coil doesn't look iced up, so that's good. And then the door will open. Let me get this coil cleaned up. I came out to the van and I got my temperature probe. I got a spray bottle and some coil cleaner here. I'll work on that condenser, then we'll see about firing that thing off and then see if the compressor fires off. Right now I have the thermostat turned off so I can clean the coil. Stuff coming out of there. Might as well finish the can off. I'll get some hot water to rinse that coil. Remember, hot water is always on the left if you're plumbing. Get the light in there. You can breathe now, see? There's a good shot with the light behind it. Yeah, I can breathe now. Okay. 55 degrees. Cranking the stat, nothing's coming on. So we've got a bad thermostat for sure. No, nada. I think the thermostat went bad. Yeah. Let's test it. We'll pull it out and test it. Probe for the thermostat. Let's check it and see if it's any good. There's our problem. Bad thermostat. Let's go get one. Oh, the old thermostat. Let me get this shined up a little bit here. We'll get our new stat in there. All right. There it is. New stat. Got it lined up right so the numbers jive with the arrow. Let's go get this one installed and then see how we do. If this was like a Geico commercial, it'd be like so easy a caveman could do it. So right beyond the return bins down there is a little sleeve for the thermostat to go in, and then this goes in the sleeve into the evaporator coil. I gotta have two hands to do that, so hang in there. I don't have my GoPro today. Thermostat's changed out. We got a condenser fan now. Compressor is not running.
Multiple offender.
We are a no-go on the compressor. All right, I'm gonna check for power on this side of the overload. In the neutral. If I got juice there, then we'll check it on the other side of the overload at the common on the compressor. And see if the overload's open. Here we go. I got voltage there. Do that again. 118 volts. Let's see what we get through the overload. To the compressor. Overload's toast. See that? Probably from that dirty condenser. Let's go ahead and turn this off. I'll grab a 3-in-1 and see if we can get this thing to run. Should I get the magic start cord? Let's think about that for a minute. So here's our overload off the unit, and it's open line. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a 3-in-1. What's cool is they had the H.V.A.C from True. That's an OEM compressor right there. Original recipe compressor, and we'll get we can connect the wires right into the H.V.A.C. It's really nice. This one's shaping up to be a good little multiple offender, huh? Here, I better show you guys the model number on this or I might get my balls cracked. What do we got here? The RCO 210. That's the one. I don't need Phil cracking my balls. It's getting busy. My fat ass needs to get right down there. See? got her on there. Let's see if see what happens. Oh, I think we got liftoff. Trigger 19. I think we got liftoff. Where we got 63. There's my Amtron 4.6. And I had that coil super wet when I washed it out. Let's see where we come around here. Alright, we're heading in the right direction. Yeah, coil's drying off now. I'm getting some heat on my coil. I don't want to put a tap on here unless I have to. And yeah, I'm just checking to see if I can feel heat on the condenser. If you're low on charge, you won't feel any heat up here, but if you wash your coil, it'll be so wet you won't feel a bunch of heat on there till the coil dries out. That's so. Coming down, let's check it here. And I gotta get a door gasket for this thing too. What do we got here? TPP 60. And then that's my serial number. Was there anything left to change out on that unit? That was a multiple Defender Super Deluxe. Man, good. What a good afternoon. Doing, boing, boing. Every time, every single time. Let's make some paperwork, and I left the thermometer in there, and after I do the paperwork, we'll see what temperature it's come down to. She's been out here selling flowers all day in the heat. I'm gonna give her a water. It's hot out here. Mira. Agua. Yeah. She's out there, no water, dude. Yeah, I got one for me too. All right, multiple Defender Deluxe.